want all my clothes designer.
So yeah, I'm gonna make this intro really quick because I'm literally have to get out the door right now because I'm going to school right now. So yeah, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day. I know I've been slacking on the makeup videos for a very long time now because like I don't have an excuse. Like I bought a memory card, it wasn't working for my camera, stuff happened, and literally I'm going to stuff with my mom right now. So like that's a whole other thing. That video will be down below. Hopefully I recorded it, but yeah, so I recorded this get ready with me on Valentine's Day because like I'm single and I'm like the definition of a Ken doll right now. So yeah, I'm sorry if the lighting looks weird because I literally have a lamp right there because I want you guys to see what I was doing. Sorry for that. Everything came out bomb. Hope you guys really liked it. I have nothing else to say because I don't want to get detention. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up and let's get on with this video. Love you guys so much. Okay, I already did my brows. Sorry if the light's weird. I have like my lamp right there. So sorry if the light's weird. I still have to record a video for you guys. So yeah, it's literally like 6:14. I already missed like 0 period from my school. So like we have to get ready. So I already have my makeup bag right now. I already primed and stuff off camera and stuff. I think now I'm just gonna orange correct. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl orange corrector. Next, I'm literally just going to use my foundation. So, the foundation that I'm using currently at the moment is Huda Beauty Faux Filter in the shade Chocolate Truffle. And I just like to take this on, just like a face angle brush, you know, all over. And then I like to go and get my beauty. Next, I'm gonna conceal. So concealer, I like to use LA Girl Fawn, and then I like to use the one from the Bobbi Brown concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. So I guess we'll mix these two. So yeah. Literally all I do. Now, for powder to set underneath my eye, I like to go in with the NYX No Filter powder. This is in the shade Deep Golden. I actually just discovered this because I feel like after, like, when I bake, like, I don't know, I still see like a little, not like flashback, but still like a little, too light for me. So I just like to go in on this like front of my eyes. It's like so amazing. It still gives me that like no filter look, which is like really cool. So it's like a pan like this, and I just like taking this on. This is like a face taper brush, so it's like taking this and dabbing it like where I bake. And also to bake and set all over my face, I'm gonna use the black opal powder. This is a shade Dark. I bought this on Amazon because like I needed a setting powder. I normally use Ben Nye. You guys know I'm a Ben Nye girl. I love using Ben Nye, but you know they didn't have it, or it was maybe just expensive too. So yeah, it's whatever. They have it now, but like I'm gonna buy it like one time. I like to bake. I'm just gonna take just a regular like wedge sponge and just like all over my eye. Almost done. I feel like now the only thing like I literally just like have to do is like I'm gonna brush this off like after when I'm like done baking, and then like the only thing like I just have to do is like contour, lips, set my face, setting spray, and highlight. We're done. But while I panic, I'm gonna start baking. So not baking. I'm gonna contour my face. So you guys know the drill. Black Radiance. medium to deep contour palette. I'm taking this on my Morphe M530. I literally bought this online because everyone now didn't want to buy it. I'm taking the Beauty Glaze palette. Here it is. I know it looks like highlight. I can't talk about that much. I'm taking this shade right here, like that middle one right here. Look good. It's so cute. I think I'm making like the ugliest faces. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm making the ugliest faces. What I do before I put on highlight and stuff, I like to go in with setting spray to lock everything in, lock all that powder, lock everything what I did today. So I'm retaking, you guys know this, if you have oily skin, this is like the holy grail for oily skin. I'm taking my Scandinavia highlights, not highlight spray, my Scandinavia setting spray. This is the one in oil control. You guys know the drill. Yeah, I don't have a discount code with them, but I'll use James Charles with somebody. Like, I'm tired. For highlight, I'm going to be taking, okay, for highlight, I'm just going to be using Anastasia. Don't ask me why it's in this pouch. Shout out to Ariana, she gave me like the golden one from the glow kit, so shout out to you, Ariana, love you so much. And I'll be taking CheriGlow Cosmetics. You guys know this is my shit in bronze, and then fenty Hustler Baby. You guys know I'm all about that fenty life. So I'm actually gonna do this off camera because that light's giving me bad vibes, and I don't want to F up my highlight because I don't want people reading me out of school. So that's pretty much it for the video. I'm back. You see, I put my highlighter on. I'm glowing to the gods. I don't know why my phone's buzzing. But I'm really rushing late right now. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and staying to the video. Sorry if the lighting again is so weird, but like at least I look good, so I don't mind. So yeah, so remember to rate, comment, subscribe. You guys know, hit that notification bell. All my links will be in the description box below. Sorry if I'm rambling, like I literally have to get the door right now. I love you guys so much and stay strong. Bye guys.
Oh, I want all my